Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a banana cake. It's a super delicious banana cake on the inside, made to look like an actual banana on the outside.
To get started, I add my banana cake batter to an 8 by 8 inch square cake pan.
If you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to make my super delicious banana cake, click here.
Then I bake it at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. Once my cake is completely cooled, I remove it from the pan and then I level off the dome top. Using a banana template that I made, I customized my own banana cake board using a regular cake board and tracing over with the template that I made. I cover the cake board with buttercream and it acts as a glue so that our cake has something to stick onto the cake board with. Using the template that I used to make the cake board, I'm going to place this on top of the cake, and this is going to be our guide to carving the perfect banana shape. Then I'm going to transfer the cake onto the cake board. Now I'm going to give the cake a nice crumb coat of buttercream and then I'm going to let it refrigerate for a few minutes. Then I'm going to give it a second coat of buttercream and let it refrigerate once again to set. Here I have some white fondant which I'm going to dye using Wilton gel food color in the color Buttercup Yellow. Once the fondant is the color that I want it to be, I'm going to roll it out so that it's nice and even, and then I'm going to place this over the cake. I use my hands and a fondant smoother to smooth the fondant onto the cake. Then using an X-Acto knife, I carefully trim off the excess fondant around the bottom perimeter of the cake. Using a few fondant sculpting tools, I'm going to try to enhance the features of the banana, such as the stem on top and the bottom of the banana. And using a small paring knife, I create fine lines on the top and bottom stems of the banana. Using some vanilla extract mixed with ivory food color, I'm going to paint the bottom and top part of the banana just to highlight the brown spots of the banana. And I'm going to shade the banana in a few places as well. And using a big pastry brush, I'm going to spread the color around so that it looks a little more natural and not just painted on. And I go over this with a second coat of the gel food color just to create more of a shade effect. Then I mix in a little bit of green at the bottom and top part of the banana. And now with some brown food color and a very small tip brush, I'm going to create brown spots around the banana. And this just gives the banana a more realistic, natural look. And to finish off the banana, I made an edible fondant sticker and I'm going to place this right in the center top part of the banana. And this amazing banana cake is complete. This is a delicious banana cake disguised as a banana and it is so delicious. So please click that eye up above the video or click the link in the description box and try out this recipe.
Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe.